What's this? Monster sandwiches? Ghostly soup? That's what we're making today on Uncle Chris.
Uncle Chris, what you got cooking? Smells so good. Everyone's looking.
It looks scary, but trust me, this is going to be the simplest soup you ever make, nieces and nephews. All you need, 2 cans of black beans, 2 packs of non-sodium or low-sodium chicken bouillon, a roughly chopped onion, 12 ounces of water, some onion powder, some garlic powder, some black pepper, a little bit of butter, a blender, and a pot for the stove. All right, first thing we're going to do, dump our black beans in our blender. Both cans. Dump in our onion. We're going to dump in, about a teaspoon black pepper, both packs of our chicken bouillon, teaspoon of our garlic, teaspoon of our onion powder. Pour in our water. Now you're going to blend, put the top of your blender. You're going to blend this so everything is smooth. Now that is blended all smoothly. We're going to take our butter and put it in our pot along with our blended soup mixture. Now that the butter has totally melted and it's about to brown, we're going to put in some more garlic powder. Repeat our spices, a teaspoon again. Black pepper. Onion powder. Stir this around. Let's add our soup mixture. Now we're going to let this cook for at least 15 to 30 minutes on a nice first a medium temperature. Then we'll bring it down to a simmer. While this is cooking, let's do our monster sandwiches. All right, nieces and nephews, while that soup is cooking, we're going to make our monster sandwiches. It's real simple. You're just going to build a sandwich, only you're going to decorate it very simple. Come on, let me show you the ingredients I got. Of course, you can make it with what you want. Take a look. All right, I've got 2 green olives. I've got a spear pickle, some regular pickles. I've got some tomatoes. I got 2 black olives. I got some white onion I soaked in the black olive juice, some jalapenos, some low sodium turkey meat, and I've got some cheese. Now look, I've already shaped this one like a little ghost, kind of. See? It's going to go on the soup, and I'm going to show you how you do that. All right. I'm going to separate my cheese here because these are going to go on the sandwiches. The first thing we're going to do is just simply build a sandwich. I got some mayonnaise. I'm doing both sides because this is going to act like the glue for our stuff so that it doesn't slide all out of place. I'm going to put on my sandwich meat, and I'm going to tear it apart because I want to give a little height to this sandwich. You'll see why in just a minute. Maybe one more piece. All right, I'm going to put me on a tomato or two. Let's sprinkle it with a little bit of onion, a little bit of jalapeno. You don't have to do that. Put on what you want. Now, at this point, I'm going to cut the sandwich in half. There's a method to my madness. I'm going to take the first top layer of the sandwich off on both sides. Can you see that? All right. Now, we're going to take us a piece of cheese. I have some wonderful kitchen scissors that I just love. I'm going to cut this in half. Then I'm going to cut triangles like this, all on one side. Hope you guys can see that, of the sandwich. These are going to be his teeth. And I'm going to make this one look sharp too. All right. Pull out the little triangles and put them on your sandwich. We're going to let those hang out like that. Oh, I almost skipped a step. I'm going to cut this pickle in half. Put this like this. Take a little off the pickle. Hold on. I want the pickle to lay flat as it can. All right. I'm going to let the teeth hang out, let the tongue hang out. Put this other piece of bread on top. I'm going to take 2 toothpicks. Stick them both here. And put these olives on top like it's got eyes. Look at that. Y'all see that? A little monster sandwich. Looks like a little alien. Now I'm going to do the other side the same way. I'm going to take 2 black olives this time and use them for his eyes. We got our monster sandwiches. Now, the little ghost for the soup, he's real easy. You take a piece of cheese just like this. Cut you out a ghost shape. The best you can. It don't got to be perfect. Remember, it's a ghost. Okay? Then, put a hole for his eyes. The best you can. And a hole for his mouth. Cut out a piece just like that. Ooh, that'll work. Ooh. And we're going to do another one right here. And I'm going to show you how good this looks when you put it in your soup. All right. Okay, let's check our soup. Look at this, y'all. Our soup is nice and thick. That means it's ready. It only cooked for about 15 to 20 minutes. Let's serve this up and let me show you how you make it into a ghost soup. Take your ghost and lay him right on top. All right, everything's done. I put a top over our soup to melt the cheese a little bit. Oh, look at that, y'all. I got a ghost in my soup. Nieces and nephews, you gotta try this out. It is so cute. Our monster sandwiches and our ghost soup. And it's easy. And you see that this was the easiest soup you'll ever make. All right, like, comment, and subscribe. Write to me, Uncle Chris, thefoodpantrychef.com. And tune in tomorrow for some more haunting goodies. Right now, I'm gonna hit this and watch a horror movie.
Uncle Chris, what you got cooking smells so good. Everyone's looking.